I guess like everyone, it's like you just go to work, and no one ever expects something like this to happen. It was the job of my dreams. It's really what I worked for my whole life. Shouldn't have just been a routine day flying over the mountains. Something went wrong on the takeoff, and we crashed right in the back lot of the hospital.
I'll just tell you that it's not a phone call that anybody ever wants to get. And one of the nurses, he came to me and he said, I just want you to know that the last thing Dave said was, tell Amanda I love her.
I don't really remember hardly anything in my hospitalization. You know, I was sedated for the first 5.5 months, and then I was hallucinating really for 10 months.
I really was terrified that he was going to wake up and not know where he was, so I was there pretty much 24/7.
It was pretty scary, and there was times like I was in some deep, dark holes, and I think the only thing that really brought me out was hearing Amanda's voice.
Dave was fighting so hard to live, and all I could do is have his back. You know, before the crash, being emergency care providers, we saw people's lives changed in an instant.
There's no words for it, really, other than to say I would not be here without Amanda.
Being a medical care provider, you have experiences with workman's comp, and not all of them are, you know, people telling you good stories. How we came to Ametros was we had a group, they're called Case Coalition, that we were connected with through our attorneys, and absolutely 100% positive. I just can't believe we've been so blessed on so many levels.
When all that stuff comes piling in on top of all the other stressors in your life, and to be able to kind of have someone to help navigate that with you, it makes it that much easier, which can be a big difference.
You guys go above and beyond, and I mean, emails are answered instantly, phone calls are taken instantly. I can't tell you like just how much that helps.
Another big passion of mine was doing river trips. I just had to be active and have to be outside. That's just who I was and continue to be. After 7 years, I finally this year just did my first multi-day river trip. So that was a big accomplishment, but I don't really know what to add. You guys have been great. Keep it up. Thank you.